Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ERR address unreachable error in Google Chrome. If you're trying to open a website and this error keeps showing up, don't worry, there are a few simple methods you can use to fix it. Let's go step by step and start with the first method. The first thing you should try is clearing Chrome's DNS cache. Open your Chrome browser and go to the address bar. Type chrome://net-internals and press enter. Once the page opens, look on the left side and click on DNS. You'll see a button that says Clear Host Cache. Go ahead and click that. This will clear any stored DNS records that might be causing the issue. After doing this, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then try accessing the website again to see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, let's move on to the second method, which involves adjusting your network settings. Click on the Start menu on your computer and search for inetcpl.cpl, then press Enter. This will open your Internet Properties window. From there, go to the Connections tab and click on LAN Settings. Now here, you'll see an option for Proxy Server. In some cases, enabling or disabling this setting can fix the issue. First, try enabling the proxy server by checking the box. In the address field, type 127.0.0.1, and in the port field, type 80. Click OK, then OK again, and test if the website loads. If that doesn't fix the problem, go back to the same settings and uncheck the proxy server option to disable it again. Sometimes the issue is caused by incorrect proxy configurations, so toggling this can help reset things. Now let's move on to the third method. Open Chrome again, click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, click on Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Choose a time range like all time and make sure to select cached images and files and cookies if needed, then click on Clear Data. Clearing your browsing data can remove corrupted files that may be causing connectivity issues. Once it's done, restart your browser and try accessing the website again. If you followed all these steps, clearing DNS cache, adjusting proxy settings, and clearing browsing data, your issue should be resolved in most cases. That's it for this video. If this helped you, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same problem. And if the issue still continues, you can drop a comment and I'll guide you with more advanced solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.